Hi everyone, this is Katie here. Today is October 24. It's a Friday. It's the last trading day of the week. So let's take a look at the watch list here. We see that VIX is minus 3.7%, means that the market has a bullish price action. This is so because CPI came in soft, so it's a bit dovish here. So that's why market is on a bull run, I would say. Significant moves I see so far because its earnings is coming up in next week. That's why I think it's moving upwards as everybody's expecting SoFi to have beating the earning estimates. So that's plus 3.85% here. And I take a look CRWV, NBIS, AMD, somehow, and Poyet especially. So all of them experiencing more than 2% gain here. Very bullish price action for these counters here. Okay, so let's take a look at the trades that's been placed today. Okay, so all in all, I would say that today's trade was about rebalancing convexity, clearing the short-dated noise and rebuilding directional setups across NBIS and also AMD here. Not a U chase, it was a tactical shift to reposition the deltas ahead of next week's volatility cycle. So let's start with NBIS here. So actually, NBIS are just sold puts October 31st at 100 strike price and got a credit of about 1.23. So this is just for you because NBIS is very bullish now. So that's why I got into NBIS. Next, AMD here. So AMD here is just closing out the $230 puts and rebalancing it up to 235. It's just a consolidation move here. So the net effect is we consolidate together and we get about 1.8 credit for doing so. This makes the books easier to calculate. Okay, so next we have JD here. So JD, I decided to close the call positions here at 0.05 debit. This is so because with Friday Theta almost gone, there's no point on sitting on the nominal premium here. So just to clear margin for next week's rotation. CRM is also flushing out the residual puts here. So I actually bought puts to hedge CRM at 235, but I think with the market on a bullish stance here, so I'm in positive accessibility here, so I don't need hedging, so I just close it up to claw back some premium here. So got back about credit 0.03 for doing so. Same for CRM expiring November 14, 240, clawing back the premium here, 2.1 credit here. And then next for AMD, also closing it up because I don't need a hedge anymore. So I just got back about 0.06 credit for doing so. So I think that's all for today. As I mentioned, today's trades were about convex clarity. So just to close out my hedges to get back some premium and sell some counters for you here, and also doing some rolling here to consolidate my positions for AMD, like 230 to 235. So I think that's all. So remember to like this YouTube video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also turn on your notification bell. So have a great day, everyone. Signing off here.